Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video we're working on the M3 again, and we are reupholstering the center console lid as it's in much need of repair. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get right into that. Like that, it's already back in. It looks 10 times better than it did before. The whole interior now is coming together pretty nice. Still do need to work on the door cards, the little tray in that one and the bezel around the door handles. But other than that, this interior is looking a lot better. Got to figure out the shift knob still. Cannot get it to fully seat. But other than that, this interior is looking great now. Still do have quite a few things until I can drive the car. But now I'm one step closer to having this project finished. Anyways, that's it for this video. I know it was a bit shorter than most of the other videos. It was just a quick little piece that I wanted to get done, just because I knew it would make the car look a lot better, not having that big hole there. So anyways, that's it for today's video. Until next time, peace.